Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little different. Obviously from the thumbnail, we are going to be looking at the Louis Vuitton CarryAll MM bag. And this is all thank you to Babala Bags. And they have sent me over this bag for me to review and show you all just how amazing their quality and products are. Let's start off with showing you all. This is how the box came in. Other than the actual shipping box that it came with, other than that, this is what was inside. And now I am going to be opening up everything with you all and showing you all exactly what it comes with. So let's get started. All right, so this box is freaking huge, but let me go ahead and undo the bow, open it up, and show you guys what we're working with. So like I said, this is the box and it does weigh a good amount, but let's open her up. I did notice that the box is a little bit damaged, but that's because this package has made a good trip around the world just to get to me, so don't mind the little dents. All right, so as you can see, it looks like the real deal. Now, the only thing that I did take out just to be able to put the paper, the parchment paper in, it does come with the little booklets that it normally would inside to tell you all the details of the bag and whatnot, and the receipt as well. But let's go ahead and get the bag out of here. All right, so here we have our dust cover, and then when you open it, inside we have our bag. So this is what she is looking like, and again, this is the CarryAll MM. So it is the medium size, and it is honestly pretty big. I love to carry tons and tons of things in my bags, so this bag was just perfect for me to pick out. And it does have little coverings for everything, so everything is pretty well covered so that nothing gets damaged or scratched on the way, and the leather feels really good as well. On the other side, we do have our little tag here on the side. On the bottom, we have the little protectors. They've been falling off because I keep flipping the bag everywhere, but it had all four. It's just that they keep falling off. I'm gonna put those, set those aside. But on the bottom, they also have engraved the brand of the bag. Everything is engraved so far. Now, the front does come with these little straps that you're supposed to close the bag with, and then there also comes another strap included inside so that you can carry it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. And then the buckles here are also covered with this silicone to protect it. So here's one off, here is another. And if you're wondering, the buckles are also engraved, and everything, even the side strap, is engraved as well. So let's get to the inside. Now, the first thing that I'm going to pull out is the bubble wrap stuffing, and then here is the strap. So here is the strap for the shoulders, and again, everything is engraved. I'm not sure if you can see it. Everything is engraved, and it also feels very it feels heavy. It doesn't feel light and flimsy or anything. It's very sturdy as well. And then we have the inside. It also comes with the little wallet slash pouch. Okay, so it comes with the pouch, and then it also comes with a little wristlet strap so that you can hook it onto the bag. And it also comes with a little silicone cover as well for that too. And everything has the logo engraved. And now the bag, even the bag has a little silicone cover for the little zipper. So I'll take that off. So everything is labeled with the logo, and the inside of the pouch is also that nice velvet material, and even the inside has the brand logo and everything. It's all so cute. And the good part is that this thing is pretty like heavy. It's got some weight to it, so it doesn't feel flimsy or anything. When you hold it like this to the side, it doesn't droop down, so it's pretty good. It's pretty well made is what I'm trying to say. But the inside also has like a little zipper and two pouches on the side, and then it also comes with another zipper here, and I'll go ahead and take off the silicone cover. So the inside is also very nice and like velvet smooth material, and also the magnet clasp also had another little cover for it just so that you don't get it ruined, and it also comes with another little plastic overlay over it just so that that doesn't get scratched either. So a lot of the things in this bag comes really well like protected so that nothing gets damaged and that the bag looks really new and nice when you get it. So another thing is the little like logo clasp thing right here in the front, so that came protected as well, and as you can see, it all looks really cute. The stitchings as well for the bag look really well done, so I'm actually happy to see that the bag, it's actually really shocking to see, and just so you guys can see, it is really big. But just for size reference, I could easily fit a good couple of like knitting needles pairs. I could fit like 2-3 skeins of yarn comfortably in here, and I could still fit my yarn and daily necessities in here as well. So that is just such a huge plus for me, because I definitely will be doing that with this bag, unfortunately. All right, by the way guys, if you guys are interested in getting anything else for yourselves and end up wanting to get anything for yourselves, I do have a discount code to offer to you guys, and I'll leave it down in the description and as well somewhere in the video, just so that you guys can always be aware, and don't forget to use that discount code to save you guys even more money. But I 100% recommend this brand. If I were to pull up one of my other bags right next to it, the material feels just exactly the same as it. And one thing that I do want to tell you is that these bags don't have like plasticky type or like weird scent to it either. There is no weird strange smells coming from the bag or the leather either. It all smells like genuine and nothing funky going on either. Okay, let me go ahead and attach the straps and the wallet to the bag just so you guys can see the full look of it. And all right, you guys, so now that everything is attached to the bag, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what she looks like complete. So here she is, and I attached the straps at the third top hole, so there's still more space to do it tighter or a lot looser. Now the straps do go into the little like strap right here so that they're not flopping everywhere, and as you can see, the same thing is on the other side. So here is what she looks like in the front. Now again, I don't have anything in the bag, which is why it looks really empty when I lift it up, but obviously it would look something a little like this. And I 100% love this bag. It honestly fits perfect. So this is what it would look like when it is like this over my shoulder, and it sits at a very nice and comfortable spot on my body. It honestly feels great, and if I were to lower these down a little more, I could honestly use it as like a crossbody bag, so something like this except a lot lower, and that would look really cute. But I have it like this, and I can do it even shorter to have it on my arm kind of like this all the time. But this is an actual like really comfortable spot right here. So this is what it looks like all around, and I honestly love it so much. Like, you can easily open this bag and see everything that's in it, and it has just so much space for you to put so many things. I 100% love this. So compared to my body, this is how big it's looking, but it is still 100% like top favorite bag now. I absolutely approve. All right, you guys, let me know what you guys thought of the bag and if you guys would get one yourself. Make sure to go ahead and check out the website and link I have down below in the description. Make sure you guys get that discount code in case you want to get something for yourselves and save even more money, especially for the holidays coming up now. And honestly, treat yourself because this is definitely 100% I think worth it. So with that being said, let me know what you guys thought. I definitely want to fill her up and do like a little bag tour filled with like all of my knit or crochet items. That would be definitely fun to make. Let me know if you guys are interested. But with that being said, I will see you guys in another video. I have a couple things coming up, but slowly gonna push them out. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!